Hey guys, so I know I've been missing. I haven't cooked anything. It does not smell like Christmas in here. I know, I'm mad too. But guess what I got for you? I got the best, easy, simple chicken salad you're gonna ever try in your life. It's simple, it's easy, it's less than 10 ingredients, it's less than 10 minutes. It's full, it's healthy and delicious. You need to tune in. Come on with me in the kitchen. Here we go. Alright guys, so today we're going to be making chicken salad. And I know you're like, where have you been? You haven't cooked in a while. And every day I'm not making cakes and pies because simple fact, if you have started watching my channel from the beginning, it's all about healthy eating, keto, and all that good stuff. So I'm still semi doing great. I have cut out a lot of carbs in my diet. The keto thing really does work. You just have to stick to it. But I'm not always keto friendly when I eat. But anyway, I'm going to be making chicken salad today. And I'm going to tell you that this recipe is easy, it's simple, and anybody can make it. And the things that I'm about to tell you that goes in this chicken salad, you're probably like, I ain't never had that. Don't knock it till you try it, especially when you haven't ate in my kitchen. And I do things simple, easy, semi-homemade, semi-store-bought. So let's get to it. So you know, my favorite store and grocery store is Sam's Club. So I have a roasted chicken here. It's only $4.95 and this baby is huge. Okay, so we get the roasted chicken, and I normally don't do it the same day because it's hot and it's steaming, which you can see somebody has already took a piece of a leg off, but it's cool because we're going to work around it. If you want to stay in the keto, you can do a light mayo, or you can also do avocado mayo, which I have in the refrigerator. But I'm going to do light mayo because it's just not me eating this. And the avocado mayo has like a tang to it because it's not sweet. I do a cup of grapes. I do a half a cup of celery, and it is diced. And then I do a half a cup of red onions, which is my favorite. Now the secret to this, even though the chicken is roasted and has all that good flavor, we're not going to use the skin, so remind yourself to take that off, or you can cook it and do something else with it. But the secret to this chicken salad is a ranch seasoning pack. You don't have to get the name brand because my second best runner-up is Kroger's, and I love the seasoning salad, ranch seasoning dressing that goes into this, and I use a little bit of Lowry seasoning. Okay, so this is one of my go-to favorites. It has a kick, it's nice, it's not salty, it's not overzealous in any spices and herbs, so I like this. So let's get to it. First of all, and I also like sour cream, which I do not have, and I'm so upset. But if you use more sour cream than mayo, it tends to thicken up the salad dressing. I'm going to say salad dressing. It tends to thicken up the dressing for the chicken salad. So, you know, sometimes people make chicken salad and it's kind of runny. This is not going to be runny. So, let's get to it. Nothing but to do it. I'm going to use about a cup full to a cup and a half of whatever you desire. Mayo, mayonnaise, Miracle Whip, your choice. I'm going to use a package. One package because it comes with about 4 or 5 of them in here, and it's upside down. Yeah, 4 or 5 of these in there, and I'm going to use just one of these good packages. And I'm going to sprinkle that in there. I'm going to sprinkle half of it in there. And I'm going to mix this up, y'all. Now you can mix it up in a bowl. But once again, I don't like to wash dishes, and this is supposed to be semi, you know, homemade, semi store-bought. So we're not trying to make all that mess. Not even trying to do it. Mix it up really, really well so it's like creamy consistency. Then you're going to add your cup of onions. And you're going to make this before you start chopping the chicken up, and your half a cup of celery. Get it all, get it all. Okay? And then mix it up. Now you want this to sit in the refrigerator while you're chopping up your chicken, because you want this to get back cold if it's been sitting out a little bit. And once it gets a little chilling, we're going to take it out and we're going to coat the chicken with it. to mix it up really good. And then I'm going to add the grapes. That's a cup of grapes. You need seedless grapes. You can use red grapes or green grapes. Whatever grapes you want. You just want them seedless. Now, if you don't mind spitting out the seeds, then if they're cheaper at the time, hey, go ahead and knock yourself out once again. I'm not mad at you. Add a little bit more of that seasoning in here and mix it up. Now you can take chicken breasts or chicken thighs or just leftover of a whole chicken or whatever kind of chicken you ate the night before and make this chicken salad. I'm going to taste it. It is everything that I want. Put it in the refrigerator. Next, I'm going to pop this chicken open. And once again, I do not like dishes, so we're not even going to deal with the whole situation of getting another container and dishes. I'm not going to use the wings or the leg or the thigh, but I'm mostly going to use the back and the breast. So once again, I told you we're not going to eat the skin because who puts skin in their chicken salad? I don't think nobody does. But if your family likes to eat skin, you can always rewarm it back up and put the skin in there. Your choice, your options. So I'm going to go ahead, crack this roasted chicken in half, and I'm going to take off the breast and I'm going to dice it up. And the skin should just come right on off. Like so. Now, some people I have seen put relish in their chicken salad. That is to make it sweet. I don't want a sweet chicken salad. I mean, I want a sweet chicken, but not a sweet chicken salad. If you had barbecue on your chicken, it might be best if you take off the skin if you uncovered it in barbecue sauce, because then you're going to get a sweet chicken salad, and I don't think that's what you're looking for. So that might be something, an option you want to take into consideration. So I'm just going to take all the white meat, pretty much is what I'm using to make this chicken salad. And then what's left over, I might just make a dinner. Alright. Now I think this is an easy dinner recipe because simple fact, you're not cooking anything. You went to the store, you bought the roasted chicken, and if you have the ingredients at home, Miracle Whip, celery doesn't cost that much. It's like 35 cents a stick, and onions, you can get that for $1. A red giant onion for $1. The seasoning pack is probably gonna cost you around, depending on where you at. In my area, it costs me $1.99 for the whole pack. So altogether, this meal probably consists of me coming out of pocket about $8. $8 to feed a family, or to eat off of for a whole week for lunch. Plus, I might snack on it for dinner if this is an option that I'm into. My little leg fell off. Alright, so let's finish cleaning this off. And you can get these roasted chickens if you have a Kroger's or a Food Smart or wherever your local grocery store and they roast chickens, you can get it there. Very cheap, easy, affordable chicken. Alright, so we got the chicken right here. And all I'm going to do is just dice the chicken up. You can shred it, but I like chunky pieces in my chicken salad. So go ahead and just dice your chicken up, shred it up, however you prefer to have the chicken in your chicken salad. Now I know some people like to have shredded chicken, so they will post it in the blender to get the shredded type, and that's fine if you like that as well. But I don't want my chicken that post up that it's kind of reminds me of baby food. So I've been having my dressing sit in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes now. And all I'm going to do right now is just take that dressing out the refrigerator. And I'm going to add this chicken to it. And make sure you don't have any bones in there. So I pulled out a bone and I'm taking it out. Okay. So let me go get my dressing and we're going to add this chicken in there, okay? Because it's getting overboard. Alright guys, so I got my dressing right here. And I'm going to just add some of this chicken that I've been dicing up. Before I started this process, I washed my hands. Now before you mix the chicken up into the dressing that we made with the celery and the onions, you're going to sprinkle some of the seasoning that I showed you earlier from Lawry's. And I think we're done dicing and slicing this chicken up. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And then I'm going to season the top of this chicken with some of the Larry seasoning. And I'm also going to get some accent salt, which is one of my favorite seasonings. And we're going to mix it together and try it out. I'm going to put some accent salt in here. And I'm going to put some of this Larry seasoning. Be light and gentle because the chicken has been roasted. So it already had a nice little flavor in it. And we're going to mix. And I should have got a bigger bowl, but I'm not because simple fact, I don't like washing dishes. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. I don't like washing dishes. If I get enough viewers and subscribers on here, maybe I can afford a dishwasher. Maybe I can afford upgrading my kitchen. But for now, we're going to work with what we got because I'm not complaining. See? That white chicken or the white meat is enough for this salad dressing. You just need a half a cup of red onions, a half a cup of celery. You need a full cup of grapes. You need your Renton seasoning pack. You need a cup and a fourth of your choice of Miracle Whip, mayonnaise, mayo, avocado oil, avocado Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, since they do have it. Or you can make your own, your choice. And this is simple and it's easy. And it doesn't take that long to make. And make sure you mix it up really well. This will last me for the whole week for lunch. It's healthy, it's hearty. You can eat this with some crackers, with a salad. Your desire of what you would like to eat this with. And we're just going to go ahead and take a nice little bite. Really good. And there you have it. Chicken salad for the week for lunch. So, tune in with me again. Jot down or leave a list of things that you would like to try and eat, or you want me to make, that you found the recipe and you're not really sure or confident of wasting your money, because you can never waste your money when you're being creative in the kitchen eating. Until next time, I will see you then.